Yesterday, Dr. Kizza Besigye, who was arrested on suspicion of inciting violence in Kampala on Tuesday, appeared before Grade 1 magistrate Siena Omujisha. She agreed with Besigye's lawyer that there was no evidence that he would interfere with investigations while on bail, as argued by the prosecution, which also asked that if the political activist got bail, it should be restrictive. She made her ruling after a short break.
The accused person is granted a cash bail of 30 million shillings payable to the bank, details of which shall be availed. And each of the sureties is bonded to 70 million shillings, that is non-cash.
Besigye's lawyer Elias Lukwago filed an application in the High Court challenging this decision.
That decision was not judicious, it was rather a political one. So we are here to seek for a judicious decision or a judicial decision because we are challenging one which is political.
The Constitution holds that bail is a fundamental right. However, the court has the discretion whether or not to grant bail. The president of Uganda Law Society says 30 million shillings is on the high side.
This offense of inciting violence, I'm not saying it's small, but we have seen people that have been caught for embezzling 10 billion be given a cash bail of about 5 million, 10 million. So when you think about whether this amount of money is commensurate to the kind of offense, I think it could be viewed as excessive.
According to the judiciary, the magistrate acted within the law and cautions that complaining outside court about this matter might have a bearing on the officer handling the appeal.
You are supposed to argue this in the courtroom to show the chief magistrate your grievance. But now you have the grievance which you are making outside the courtroom. And yet you must again take the same to the courtroom. So it appears as if you are creating two centers.
There have been numerous complaints about granting cash bails after bank closing time.
That's why we are coming up with the equities. In the areas where that is happening, where you have to pay online, that doesn't happen, that the banks are closed, no.
What is going to happen is that the High Court here is going to recall the file from Buganda Road Court and then allocate a judge who is supposed to be hearing the application appealing against the 30 million shillings cash bail that Dr. Kizza Besigye through his lawyers is challenging. That means Dr. Kizza Besigye will remain behind the bars until this case is completely, or the application is disposed of. And lawyers are expecting this could be done maybe by the end of next week. Sudhir Yaruhanga, NTV.